Today we're going to talk about perimeter. And perimeter is the distance around a shape. So think of like a fence. If you're trying to figure out, like our garden, we might think of a fence around a shape is what we need to measure. Okay, so some problems will look like this and will give you the little grids. Okay, so I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going across. So that's why they've got 5 centimeters here. And then 2 going down 2 centimeters. Okay, so if I know what the top number is, then I know what the bottom number is because it's the exact same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I know what one side is, then I know what the other side across is because it's the exact same thing. 1, 2. And then our formula for perimeter is you're just adding up all the sides. Right? Think of a fence again. We're adding up all that distance around the shape. So my equation will be 5 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2. And maybe what I want to solve is I want to chunk those 2 out. So 5 plus 5 I know is 10. 2 plus 2 is 4. And then 10 plus 4 is 14. Is that perimeter for that one? Okay, sometimes they don't give you the squares, they'll just tell you the side. So again, if I know that this top one is 5 centimeters, then I know the bottom one has to be the same thing. If I know that one side is 4 centimeters, then the other side is 4 centimeters as well. And now I'm adding up all the sides. 5 plus 5 plus 4 plus 4. 5 plus 5 is 10 again. 4 plus 4 is 8. So this one has a perimeter of 18 centimeters. Okay, and then we've got a funky shape down here. We call these irregular shapes. But same thing, we are counting around the sides. So you're gonna count almost like the line. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Do you see how I'm counting the lines around the shape, and that took me 16. Okay, I'm not quite sure what the, was it feet, inches, or what, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. 16 is the perimeter for that one. Okay, so again, if you just know that perimeter, you're counting up the distance around the fence and you're just adding up all the sides. And then for these irregular shapes, you're just counting those lines around it to find the perimeter.